Hello and welcome back to another interesting class. Today we'll be learning how to sew a perfect zipper fly for our pants. Kindly subscribe to my channel and ensure to click the bell icon beside the red subscribe button down below here, as this will notify you once I post a new video. Let's go straight into today's video. To sew our zipper fly, I will be using a different color of zipper for the purpose of this illustration to make it clearer. Okay, if I use a white one, it will just blend into the sewing and you may not really see the seams. This is our zipper fly and we'll be attaching it on this part of the pants. Most sewing patterns, you have this zipper fly cut along with the pants, so it's not cut separate like this one. So first thing we need to do here is to align this zipper fly on this part of the pant. Okay, we're going to align the both of them and we're going to be sewing it to this pattern, the both of them. Okay, if you're working with a lightweight fabric, you need to iron on your interfacing on this zipper fly. Okay, but I will not be doing that in this tutorial as this is just for illustration purpose. So I'll just go straight now and sew on this point. Alright guys, I've sewn my zipper fly to the pants. Okay, now once you've attached that, you just fold and neatly iron just as I've done here. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to fold the left pattern, the left zipper fly in half like so, and you're going to give it a good press. If you're doing a lady's pants, the left zipper fly will be the point you're going to fold in half, but for that of the men, you would fold the right part. I hope this makes sense. Now that's the point I'm going to attach my zipper on. Okay, so just place the zipper like this and I'll have to be sewing it on that point. So you just align your zipper very well like so, and you're going to be making a top stitch using your zipper foot. This is what we just did now. Okay, so you can see it's sewn on the left part, and when you turn to the right side of your pant, you should have something like this with that side concealed inside like so. Then you're going to turn this the other way and align that point. Just ensure it's properly aligned at the front. Okay, you can even pin that in place just to be sure you got it right. Okay, but you turn your zipper the other way. You place your zipper on the right panel like so and align that very well. Then you're going to be sewing the zipper to this side of your pattern. So it's right to pin this in place as well. Okay, so you have to pin it only on the zipper fly pattern. Ensure you don't pin along with the pants pattern. Okay, so just pin that in place as you can see. There. So now we're going to be sewing on the zipper at this side. Okay, so we're going to sew on that, the other side of the zipper teeth. So at this point, we can see that our zipper fly is almost done, as it's beginning to look like what it should be. So here is our concealed zipper, as you can see. So the very last thing to do now is to make that curve, that stitch you always see on your jeans and on your pants. So I'll just measure about 2 inches from this point, from that edge to the point I want my curve to be. So I'm just marking 2 inches on that point. Okay, so that's 2 inches. And once I get to that point, so I'm going to curve it like so from that point to link up with the 2 inches I marked. And I'm going to be sewing just that way. Okay, so that's the very final part of this project. I hope you found this video interesting. Kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.